Please, dearly beloved out there, as soon as this video gets to you, subscribe and leave your comment behind and share to all your contacts on Facebook, Instagram, on your WhatsApp. Most especially to those that are in those states, let them begin to see what is going on and that this thing is in their nose. These same Fulanis that are in your environment and those state people as going to this YouTube something because of a dough. Everybody just going after what they will eat, what they will drink, what they will put on, how they will party, how they will do this, do that. Listen to me. Those guys selling apple, pineapple, banana, and watermelons. Some are picking bungalows, they are picking irons in your streets. They have people employed some to be clearing grasses. All these are Fulani herdsmen, which they brought to trailer. Many of us saw it on video. How they were trooping guys into the country state with trailers. They are missionaries hired for massacring in 2023. For genocide. And though if you don't wake up and chase away these same guys, if you don't wake up and riot now, chase away these people from your community, from your street, from your bushes, don't say you were not aware. You will listen to what's going on here now. 200 people killed in one day. Why? They were informed. They paid deaf ear. Just like this information is also coming around now. Many of us is also going to pay deaf ear. Many of us are going to see it as a YouTube something. When they say subscribe to get more information, click the notification bell. Oh, you want to use Facebook something. We are very careless in things like this. I don't want to speak much. Listen to the killings that happen. Listen to the reason why the killings happened. While some people like ES and the rest are fighting, but the chiefs, those are you call governors, those are you call House of Senate, whatever. Many of them have sent their children away out of the country already. You are just there. Go and block the gate of Obaseki. Obaseki is a Buhari boy. Block the gate of Obaseki. These people are in secret covenant and everything. They are stealing. They are afraid that when they speak, they will send ESCC after them. But your own life and the life of your family is important. Block the gate of Obaseki, the house of people you elected to Senate, you elected to House of Representative, people you elected to House of Assembly. Go and block their gates. Let there be riots. Let there begin to raise up soldiers in every communities. 1,000 soldiers in every local government. Who will go in the bushes first and foremost to chase them out of the bushes. Who will monitor these people in total. Go to all the Fulanis you see in the street. Follow them to where they sleep. Go and see many of them are having weapons. Some are selling carrots. There are weapons under the carrot. Thank God that they caught some in the Kewa who were with a car and their car were loaded with different guns. And though if you not like waking up sleep, we could not wake up. The choice is all yours. Just listen and remain blessed.
Then those chiefs, they need to be going down one by one. They need to be going down one by one. Because they are the part of the problem. Those ones that call themselves elders, they are the part of the problem. Today, the 25th of June 2021, information reaching us by Mazi Igwe Chukwuma today that the Fulani has just arrived at Ataroga community in our local government area, Benue State, a Biafran part that was given to the Benue people that has a common boundary with a Ebonyi state. And when we did more investigation, we now find out that the chiefs from that community have already gotten the information that they are coming since about 5 a.m. today. You're so saying now. And the only way that he thinks that he can be able to safeguard his people is by asking the community to leave their land, leave their houses, and run away.
Now he's telling them to leave their land and houses and run. Because why? Information came to them. They didn't prepare the people. Edo, a word is enough for the wise. A word is enough for the wise. What is going on in Nigeria now is more than what you eat and what you drink. It's more than where you will sleep. Because in time will come, if you people don't wake up now, There will be no food to eat. There will be no place to sleep. And there will be nothing to put on. Just like what happened to these people. So let me pause so you can listen further. We are told. They told the chiefs, they tell the Igwes or the Obas there and everything. They pay deaf ear until they wait for their people to be killed. The condition on hand now, it belongs to the youth. The youth have to take their destinies in their hand. The youth have to wake up. The youth have to wake up. Don't be waiting for father, mother, chief, governor, police, or whatever military. Wake up. Now you are the one to wake up the fathers and mothers and the governors and all the chiefs. A word is enough for the wise. A word is enough.
I say, what is it? I say, this is the evidence to prove what I told you. I told them that it's okay, but I want to let them know that this government we are now, it was our people that are killing us because they're listening to what we have been saying.
Did you know that you can make money with Amazon without selling physical products on Amazon?
All this is, even though it happens, we must retaliate. But to look at it today, that Biafra is the only hope. Biafra is the only hope. In their presence there, they gather me, even as I'm talking to them, all of a sudden everybody run away and leave me alone together with that dead body there. Stand there alone with the dead body. Before I call them back, I said they should come back. What makes them run? Without knowing that somebody is with the gun around that place. But they pick not a Fulani. And that is the reason why all of them run away. And if to say that people, they were Fulani, they would have killed me there at the middle of that dead body. So, since that time till now, nothing is done. Look at the second one, the second massacre from the Fulani in our place. And that is why we are crying for help now. We need the help. We need the help around that place. That place needs to be secured. Today they have come back again just to kill us. That is why, as I'm talking to you, my heart is full of tears. I'm crying because I know what my people are passing through there. All those chiefs and the councillors, they don't want to do anything. They went and gathered villagers that don't even have one naira to feed themselves. Started sharing money for them to buy weapons. Meanwhile, some prominent men, all of them, they were there. Those people that are collecting money from
Hey, now that you've heard it all from the horse's mouth, what do you think about this video? Please do well to drop your opinion for me in the comment section, because a lot of things has been going on. But some people form deaf ears as if nothing is happening. But
I think this is the governor, Dave Umahi, of Bowie State, or Benue. This is the governor. So himself is not even safe. That is one of the stupid things. It's one of the funny things going on in Nigeria. Your governor is not even safe. I think it was Utom that they chased all the way from his farm that they wanted to kill. Mieti Allah came out and said they were the one that wanted to kill him. And nothing was done. Today they are chasing Yesen, chasing Nadikanu, chasing IPOP, killing them. Whereby some set of people came out and said they were the one that wanted to carry out an assassin. That means the Nigeria is already Fulanized. Nigeria is already a Fulani or cow state already. If we are waiting for governor to protect you, you are taking those police, they are protecting you. Get closer to any of the police or soldiers who want to be realistic. They will tell you your life is in your own hand. 2023, they are going to kill all the soldiers, police, and Navy first. They have to go down first before the general massacre. They will poison all of them. So that's why in every state now they put a Fulani or a Muslim guy who is part of the mission. They put them to be commissioner of police and whatever. Please don't say this information didn't come to you, because we are good in receiving things and dump them. Things that will save our life. This is what happened here now. 100 people killed in a day, 200 people killed in a day. Almost